Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and we are away from home. We are way away from home. By the time you see this, however, we will be heading back to Missouri. Right now we are in Florida, but I wanted to tell you about the Elf Challenge coming up on the 21st of March at 10 a.m. Central. And this month's theme is luck or leprechauns, and you can use any elf doll at all. Any elf doll you have. You can use the luck of the Irish or a lucky charm, or just if your elf's name is Lucky, we don't care. Also leprechauns. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. We hope you will join in with Penny from Playful Reborns, Dory from Dory's Dollies, Tina from Tina's Reborns and more, and of course us at Dolls Rescue. Please go by and see their videos today. Gosh, it's loud here, isn't it? Where we live, it's so quiet. Go by and see everybody's videos. Thank you for watching and wish us safe travels.